Hi everyone, I'm a wedding photographer from Malaysia. My name is Timmy. First of all, I'd like to thank to Muse for giving me this opportunity to join this trip. We're having a big project here. We done two pre-wedding shoot here, and then we have one photography workshop in Iceland. So along this trip, it's very exciting. We've been going through all the difficulty. We've been chased away by the authority, and then some private property that we entered, and the people that really get angry because we blocked their way, so we just get away. Yeah, it's really amazing trip this year.
I want to tell with Muse Chan and his team. It's been a very eventful and interesting workshop. I'm glad to learn the lighting from such a master.
大家好，我係 Hero 啊。咁今次能夠可以 join 到呢個Iceland 嘅 trip 真係好開心嘅，因為因為係一個好難忘嘅機會。
咁今次拍攝咧，同以往嗰兩次咧，咁其實都大同小異啊。不過今次應該會更加辛苦，因為咧啲器材嗰啲嘢全部都更加大件啦，又更加重喎。咁所以啲男同事應該會辛苦啲。
Hello， 我係 Selina。咁今次咧第一次嚟冰島啦，咁就好興奮嘅個心情，好開心咁嚟到過程裏邊咧，哇！其實真係好辛苦，即係出一個好靚嘅作品啊！其實真係成隊人啊，即係 Muse 啊、Muse Team 啊，所有化妝師啊，即係所有成 team 人啦，包括我自己啦，佢覺得真係出咗好多力，又好辛苦。係咁樣震住嚟影，即係好窩心嘅。尤其是個化妝師，哇！又有頭傾偈，又有飯食，哇！真係我覺得佢萬能啊！又打燈又係佢，咩都係佢。我都未見過一個化妝師咧，哇！令我大開眼界。因為咧咁喺呢個拍攝過程裏邊咧，大家相處得真係好開心，好難忘嘅。即係好多新朋友仔啦，尤其是workshop 嚟嗰啲亦都好 funny 啦，好有趣啦。佢哋對攝影嘅熱誠啦，同埋嗰份執着係喺平時睇相裏邊係唔知道嘅。睇相睇作品，佢覺得哇好靚啊，好靚，就一味得好靚啊，好靚啊，好靚，好想影。但係原來到真係去落場去影嗰陣時候，成隊人嗰個努力係好難得，同埋係一定要艱辛嚟得冰島嘅，仲要係捱得凍。係震住嚟拍啊，或者啲有時天氣唔好啊，落雨啊，到咗雨水打落嚟嗰陣時候，唔單止我啦，佢哋個個都其實係捱住，同我一齊去捱住凍去完成呢個好好嘅作品嘅，所以我覺得好欣賞佢哋嘅魄力。同埋佢哋個執着係好值得尊重。
各位好，我係阿 Mike 啊。咁咧今次咧好多謝 Muse 有俾個機會我可以參加呢一個冰島之旅。咁咧其實好早之前咧已經決定參加啦，所以我就等咗好耐啦，大半年咧，終於咧都可以成行啦。喺 workshop 裏邊咧，亦都我哋去過好多地方嘅。而我最難忘咧，除咗冰河湖夠凍之外咧，就係呢一個飛機殘骸啦。咁因為咧，我哋入到去咧，我都估唔到我自己可以拎咁多嘢，可以行咗咁多路，跟住入到去咧係風雲莫測，因為又落雨啦，又大風啦，即係不論平時其實喺香港上 Muse 嘅 workshop 咧都有講啲打燈嘅技巧啦。不過原來咧係去到一啲咁惡劣嘅環境裏邊咧，運用翻出嚟咧係一啲都唔容易嘅。呢個係我好感謝我同行嘅嗰啲朋友啦，幫手打燈啊、揸燈啊，同個 model 咧非常之專業。我哋咧其實着咁多衫咧，佢影嘅時候咧其實着好少嘅啫，即係着婚紗，所以佢係好捱得凍，非常之好。同埋亦都多謝 Sarah 咧，一路上照顧我哋嘅起居飲食，非常多謝佢。
嘅為藝術而犧牲，我成日都覺得，不如為藝術而犧牲啊！不過係犧牲得係好值得，同埋出嚟個作品係好靚嗰陣時係好滿足嘅，會覺得加油 Muse Team！
Hello， 而家咧係凌晨嘅3:55。咁我哋準備出發去冰河湖。咁我哋尋晚咧大概12點鐘先影完翻嚟。咁大家食完個飯咧，瞓咗1個鐘左右，跟住又起身啦。而家我哋準備開2架車出發。個天咧開始有輕微光㗎啦，咁所以我哋要盡快，因為車程大概係需要3個幾鐘頭4個鐘。咁所以我哋事不宜遲，盡快出發。
along the shooting, we've been done a lot of learning, especially lighting and along the how to create such a beautiful images like a masterpiece from Muse Chan. So I can learn from the whole process, from looking at the places until lighting setup, posing the model, and then the post-production. Everything is just really awesome.
就咁睇 video 咧，其實就自己感受唔到嗰種辛苦嘅，即係覺得咦係喎，好似好辛苦喎，但係你自己係感覺唔到嘅，淨係知道係咯，仲要辛苦咯。但係你自己親身經歷過咧，係感受到大自然嗰種震撼咧，係非常之好。同埋我亦都欣賞 Muse 一樣就係好隨機應變，因為冰島嗰度咧，周不時咧都啲天氣咧，你估唔到。即係好似天晴啦，但係你揸個車出去咧又會落雨嘅，跟住有好多人啦，所以有好多變化嘅嘢咧，好多阻礙嘅嘢你係估計唔到嘅。咁但係我哋都能夠完成每一個 shot， 所以我非常之佩服呢個 music 嘅，係啦。
主要我覺得係天氣問題咯，因為天氣好驟變啊！即突然之間天晴，跟住5分鐘之後可能又落雨咁樣，嗰個應變能力係今次係我覺得係學到呢樣嘢係好緊要咯，應變能力。突然之間落雨，即刻收晒啲器材。天晴啊，就即刻就出翻去繼續影咁樣，係一個好搞笑嘅地方。
Getting more challenge compared to last year due to the number of visitors. The tourists here is getting a lot more, like 2x compared to last year. And then yeah. So and also the weather. The weather these few days is not good. So for the workshop. Like yesterday we walked like 1 hour to DC3 in the rain and a strong wind. It's really a physical challenge, but the result is good, so totally worth it. All the students very happy what they learned from the Muse demonstration on the lightings, on the posing, how to handle the shoots even in the very bad weather, and we made it and we get a very good result of the photos. We are very happy. So thank you Muse for having me in this workshop and this trip, this project. Really awesome. Thank you very much.
好驚啊！快啲翻嚟啊！飛機冇事，我哋要走啦，仲有下個景點啊，好忙啊！
揾唔翻啦，
飛機啦，
唔見咗啦！
喂，雀仔啊！
點樣有咩方法可以喺呢度製造啲煙霧？咁諗晒好多唔同嘅方法，其實都唔係好可行。咁所以見到呢度咁啱有一個我哋想要嘅一個山景啦，咁亦都咁啱呢一度有啲好似溫泉咁樣出咗好多煙嘅。咁呢個範圍我哋自己放煙都唔會放得到咁靚嘅煙。咁但係就要好配合嗰個風嘅方向咯，好似火山範圍嗰個效果嘅感覺。咁所以咧，我亦都落咗一啲 colour gel 咯，咁就希望可以有唔同嘅感覺啦，同我上一輯相。好快，我而家嚟咗，多謝。捉唔到啊！好感動啊！太凍咧。
係啊，我哋揸車咧，咁喺嚟到冰島啦，所有其實係車程係多於行程嘅，即係可能去個景點係逗留2個鐘啊，影相2個鐘啊咁，但係佢哋嘅車程可能去咗成3-4個鐘係好辛苦。咁佢哋咧就影相係佢哋啦，揸車係佢哋啦，真係好辛苦。見到佢哋咧又翻到嚟就即刻處理啲相啊，就冇乜點休息啊，然之後第二日咧又去揸車，再去好用心喺拍攝。哇！我睇見佢哋真係砌到〜背後嗰個付出咧，真係令人好感動，真係好感動，係開心。
多謝。
辛苦你啊！
除咗係中意 Muse 作品啦，欣賞你嘅 team 之外咧，另外最得益咧，今次係唔單止係 Muse 幫我影相啦，係大師級幫我影相，星級化妝師幫我化妝，仲有星級化妝師佢煮嘢俾我食咁樣，其實係最難得係有一份友誼，有一份係好珍貴、好難得嘅友誼，係唔可以用其他嘢去衡量，就係心得。
多謝晒。咁今年咧就第一次喺呢一度做 workshop 啦，咁就 學生都應該會已經明白得到啦，可以喺呢一類嘅叫做極地咧，即係一個極端變化天氣嘅地方度拍攝，其實絕對唔係一件容易嘅事。即係除咗喺個技巧上面啦，你自己嗰個心態啊，你自己到底可唔可以保持冷靜咧？我覺得呢樣嘢都好緊要，因為我一路心中期望嘅畫面冇出現到，你其實已經喺你嗰個心理狀態，你已經係有一個好大嘅打擊。咁其實今次嗰個 workshop 其實我只係好希望係俾大家一齊去體驗我自己嘅親身嘅工作咯。咁所以雖然真係 workshop 呢幾日就唔係太好嘅天氣，但係正好可以俾大家嘅同學一齊感受。並唔係真係我每一次都可能遇到風來日麗嘅情況，但係喺呢啲真係咁嘅情況之下，我都會堅持用我嘅方法去拍攝，呢一樣嘢先係最值得去 share 到俾大家。咁所以我都好開心可以順利完成到今次嘅 workshop 啦。咁我都期待希望未來嘅日子我會再辦一啲旅拍嘅形式嘅 workshop 啦。咁希望大家都會支持啦。沉默對應着水月無聲，天空上有片夕陽大地，踏上這無盡旅途，過去飄散消散失散花火，重燃起。